What destroys our inner peace? Worries, anxieties, stress, talks, and expectations. Spelled waste. It's all a waste. Wasted lang po yung pinatulan mo lahat at nawalan ka ng peace. Number 1, worries. Matagal mo nang minuworry yan, pero buhay ka pa rin, di ba? Nakakalampas pa rin. A, anxieties is all about the future. Leave the future in God's hands and you'll have peace. S, stress. Are you living a very stressful life? Toxic? Ang daming pressures. Kailangan ba yan? T, talks. Nadinig mo, may nasabi, what the world is saying. You go to the social media, panay lahat na lang yung mga away-away na mga, sino ba yung mga yan? They destroy our peace. And E, expectations. You so focus on the reactions of people. That's why nadi-disturb yung peace mo.